Hey, hey, hey. It's your girl, Empress the Rap Diva, coming to you live for none other than the hair gallery today, where we are going over how to install box locks on short hair using my little ball head as a short hair. Hey, hey, hey. Okay, so I don't know how much of that y'all cool for my intro, but what's up with you? We doing fox locks on my little bald head. Hopefully, this video is useful to you and it is beneficial. Pay no attention to the background noise because they not in this loud. Be sure to leave a comment so I can see who you are. And if you guys have any questions on how I started this, yeah, leave your comment. Hey, cuz, leave your comments and questions, and I'll try to answer them. And for those of you who don't know, which is probably nobody on Facebook now, but I'm about to be a grandma, so do something to stay young and look cute at the same time. Thank you, Sister Sylvia. As y'all know, I am super bold because I didn't cut all my hair off, but I've been using my little, let me get up in the camera, little kaleidoscope drops. You know what I'm saying? I use it for like 2 weeks off and on. But got enough to grip in the little puff bowl. So, okay, so now that I'm at the end, I can show you how I close it on. Wrap it around, giving it a little loop-de-loop. And pull it through. And knot it off. Slide it, however you want. But I'll probably add some more hair on the end of mine to make them longer. But let me show you guys what I've done or what I'm going to be doing for this next background. So I started my base off with my rubber bands. Hopefully you guys can see that back there. Maybe not. Okay, so I'm going to use my latch hook. Latch hook. And go under. Hold on. Make sure you're going under the right one. So under the puff ball, bringing it through like so. Bam. Then you're gonna take your Jamaican Swiss hair. One. Leaving a 6-inch. Doesn't have to be exactly 6 inches. Just make sure one side is shorter than the other side. Okay? And I do this because it don't hurt to pull this little piece through like that. But if you try to pull the whole braid through at one time, that can be kind of painful, especially when you're using a rubber band method. So after you do that, you tighten your puff ball. Okay, you don't want your puff balls to be super tight in the beginning because you don't want to pull your hair out, period. So now that you have this crocheted into your little puff ball, yes, Kalia. All hot dogs out the freezer. For what? I said for what? Oh, snack on. I'm not playing. Locked and loaded. Like, okay, anywho, back to this YouTube tutorial. Moody. Your sister said, can you take the hot dogs out the freezer, please? Up, he in the game. I don't care. Up. It ain't gonna take that long. Call, baby then. Tell him to take the hot dogs out the freezer. He in a live game. Y'all gonna leave my son alone. Let him be the gamer that he is, okay? Yes, they do. Yes, they do. Yes, they do. Yes, they do. They throw controllers at big TVs like they bought them and all that. But anywho, I'm doing a lock tutorial. Not talking about games. Anywho. So you overlap the little tailpiece and keep going. Keep going. By the way, this is the long piece that you left out when using the short side to begin the lock. You pick it up with the longer piece and continue to wrap as you go. On my little bald head, I got some hair on my little bald head. Don't take them out the freezer, please. Take them out the freezer. I need to hurry up so I can go to the store. Y'all, we got, it ain't no regular bread? No. Oh, we gotta go to the store. Because I need some sugar for my Kool-Aid. And, ooh. Okay. It's hump day. Oh, glue up and stay the same. Oh. Mama, you on live. I am. I am doing my tutorial. They not asking no questions, so obviously they got it. Per. Y'all ain't lit. Y'all wasn't even talking. I'm on Facebook now. Y'all told me to go on Facebook. No, then they gonna mute my video. Like, go ahead. They ain't saying nothing anyway. Go ahead. Tail in. What is this? Oh. Okay. Wrap and loop. Here and there. Pull it out. Like. And then you blend into the piece that you're gonna dip. And there you have it. Brrr. We just got this row to go and I'll be all done. So I'm glad that you guys have joined me for the moment. Hopefully you guys have learned something. If not, inbox me. I'll help you out. Or I'll do it for you. Alright? So see you later. Bye. And then remember, if nobody told you that they love you today, always remember that the Empress does. Bye.